Hi friends, this is your Python partner here. So nowadays that we are discussing object-oriented programming, it is time to see the concept of inheritance in it. So always it isn't necessary to write a class from scratch, especially when you are creating a class that is just specialized version of the existing class. In such situations, inheritance plays a wonderful role. So let's try to understand the inheritance concept in a simple way first. Okay. So just imagine you are inheriting a house from your parents and they are telling you, my dear, now this house is yours and you got full freedom to renovate this house as you wish. So, from this example, the house inherited is called parent class. And the renovation that you're going to do there can be classified as child class. Okay? So, the house has rooms or colors, something like that, right? So, that can be taken as attributes of the class. And what does the house provides you? That is, it provides you and your family the shelter, right? And as well the feeling home there, isn't it? So, all this could be taken as methods of the class. As we have already discussed these concepts about the classes, that is, the class has something, it is called attributes, and the class does something, it is called methods, isn't it? So, from the above example, can you understand the concept of inheritance here? So, let's see the same example in programmatic way. Okay, so you could clear any confusions regarding this. So here in this example, class house, it is the parent class. So as usual, we got the init of method and some attributes like rooms and colors. And then this class has some methods like provide shelter of and feeling home of, and both print some messages in it. Okay. So now comes the child class, that is renovate house. Okay, it is the child class and that we developed, that is to extend the functionality of the parent class house. Okay. So in this child class definition, inside the parenthesis itself, it is important to include the name of parent class that is extending the functionalities with. Okay. So here it is house. Fine. Can you understand? Fine. Let's see further. So here in the init method of the child class, we can use the attributes from the parent class and can include some new attributes to the child class as well. Okay. So here you see it uses rooms and color attribute from the parent class, and as well it got its own attributes like pool and garden, etc. As you're now renovating the house according to your wish, right? You remember that, right? Yeah. See this line, super of function. It is a special function that allows you to call a method from parent class. So this line tells Python to call the init of method of house class so that all the renovate house class instances can have all the attributes defined in that method. Okay, can you understand, friend? If not, just hear it once again, you will get it. Okay, let's see further. After that, these two lines, self.pool and garden, it's nothing but the initialization of attributes that are of the child class. Okay? Yes. Yes. Then our this child class has only one method and it is named have fun of. Okay? In which a message is printed, which we can observe in the output screen. Okay, friends? Yes. And here what is this part? Yes, the instances for the class has been created here. Actually, I have created the instances for both the parent and child class to let you see the output and to understand the concepts more clearly regarding this. Okay? See here. The first instance that we created is first inst and it is sending arguments to the house class and that is our parent class and it requires only two parameters, right? So what are they? Yes, rooms and colors. So we sent sits and green. Yeah, big house indeed you inherited from your parents it seems. Okay, then we call two methods and as well using the same instance. Okay. Next, this part is child class instance creation. So we name it child inst and it needs four parameters, right? So the four arguments like a sits, peach. Yes, we colored it peach from green because we are renovating. You remember, right? Yes. And as well, we got fiberglass pool and a large garden. Okay. So now using this instance, we call the method have fun of. It is of child classes. Okay. And as well, we can use parent class methods here, right? So we called provide shelter of method of parent class here. Fine. Now you see the output. Parent class instance and there we call both the methods that is provide shelter of and feeling home of. So both printed their messages like this house provides shelter and homes to feel togetherness, etc. And as well the values that we send are sits and green, right? So the message says sits number of rooms and it's been green colored. Fine. And this is the child class instance. So there we call have fun of method. See the message it printed? Fiberglass pool provides fun time to guests and they can enjoy their time in large garden. Yes, we have specified the size of the garden. And as well, the peach colored house. It was at first green color when you were inheriting it from your parents, and now we are renovating it with peach color. Fine. And it is well complemented with different colors of flowers in our garden. Okay. And the next line is something? Yes. The house provides shelter. It is nothing but as we called that provide shelter of method from parent class using this child class instance. You remember, right? So that's the message. Okay. So this is how you can extend the functionalities of parent class as you wish, and as well customize and specialize your child class as much as you need it. Okay. So the main thing you should not forget here is when you create a child class, the parent class must be the part of the file. Okay. And as well it need to appear before the child class. Okay. Always keep this in mind. So yeah, that's it for today. So keep practicing and write programs and include all the functionalities in that program as we discuss. And so friends, don't forget to like and share the video, and as well do join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting and as well fun-filled one. Okay. Yes. So bye-bye and take care.